Hi students, in the last class we have discussed about study of compounds hydrogen chloride. Today we are going to discuss about the preparation of hydrogen chloride gas and hydrochloric acid. Laboratory preparation of hydrogen chloride gas. In the laboratory, hydrogen chloride gas can be prepared by the action of concentrated sulfuric acid on sodium chloride. This is the apparatus setup of preparation of hydrogen chloride gas from common salt. So let us discuss detailing. This is RB flask and this is Thistle funnel. So here the procedure of preparation of hydrogen chloride is place some common salt in a flask. So place some common salt in this flask and pour concentrated sulfuric acid through this Thistle funnel. The reaction proceeds slowly in the cold, so we have to apply heating. And on heating the mixture gently, there is effervescence and hydrogen chloride gas is evolved in a controlled manner. Then the next step is the gas is dried by passing through a washer bottle containing concentrated sulfuric acid. So the gas is passed through this washer bottle in order to dry up the hydrogen chloride gas. The next step, it is collected by upward displacement of air in a gas jar. This is the procedure involved in the preparation of hydrogen chloride. So what is the reaction takes place is sodium chloride reacts with the concentrated sulfuric acid and we get a product hydrogen chloride. The reaction involved is sodium chloride NaCl reacts with the H2SO4 in presence of less than 200 degrees Celsius. The temperature condition is less than 200 degrees Celsius. The product formed is NaHSO4 plus HCl gas. So this is the reaction involved in the preparation of hydrogen chloride gases. NaCl react with the sulfuric acid in a temperature condition less than 200 degrees Celsius to form NaHSO4 and the desired product is hydrogen chloride gas. Here the reactants are sodium chloride and sulfuric acid and the products are NaHSO4 sodium bisulfate and hydrogen chloride gas and the temperature condition is less than 200 degrees Celsius. The hydrogen chloride gas can be purified by purification involves purification. It is dried by passing through concentrated sulfuric acid. It is purified or dried by passing through concentrated sulfuric acid. And the collection, how we can collect the hydrogen chloride gas. So hydrogen chloride gas is collected by downward delivery. It is very important. Downward delivery and or upward displacement of air, that is it is not collected over water since it is highly soluble in water. So it can be identified by when the jar is completely filled with hydrogen chloride, fumes appear above the jar's mouth. So most importantly, the precautions involved in this reactions are, what are the precautions? Here, first one is the lower end of the Thistle funnel must be dipped in concentrated sulfuric acid and delivery tube should be dipped in drying agent and the temperature is maintained at nearly 200 degrees Celsius. There are three important precautions during this preparation is, first one is the lower end of the Thistle funnel must be dipped in concentrated sulfuric acid and delivery tube should be dipped in drying agent and the temperature is maintained at nearly 200 degrees Celsius. The next topic we have to discuss is experiment to demonstrate solubility. That is to show that HCl gas is highly soluble. The great solubility of the gas can be demonstrated by means of a fountain experiment. This is very important. Fountain experiment to demonstrate the solubility of hydrogen chloride gas. So this is the apparatus setup of fountain experiment. What is the procedure taking place in this fountain experiment is, take a dry round bottomed flask filled with a dry HCl gas. Take dry round bottom flask, round RB flask, and filled with the dry HCl gas. Arrange the apparatus as shown in this figure. On the mouth of the flask, fix a rubber stopper. This is the rubber stopper with 2 holes. So, first hole and second hole. Through one hole, pass a long jet tube. This is the long jet tube. And through the other hole, pass a dropper with a few drops of water. This is dropper with a few drops of water. Put the jet tube in the beaker containing blue litmus solution. Then the next step is, press the dropper. It is seen that the blue litmus solution enters the jet tube with a great force, forming a red fountain. Here the red fountain is formed. As the water goes in the flask from the dropper, HCl gas present in the flask dissolved due to its high solubility. So here we can see that the solubility of HCl gas, thereby lowering the pressure inside. That is, the blue litmus solution turns red due to the acidic nature of hydrogen chloride gas. This is the experiment setup to demonstrate the solubility of hydrogen chloride gas using fountain experiment. Next we have to discuss is laboratory method of preparation of hydrochloric acid. The aqueous solution of hydrogen chloride gas is known as hydrochloric acid. Aqueous solution of hydrogen chloride gas is known as hydrochloric acid. It is prepared by dissolving hydrogen chloride gas in water. So, the preparation of hydrochloric acid involves funnel arrangement. So, this is the apparatus setup of funnel arrangement. Here the procedure involved is, an inverted funnel connected to the hydrogen chloride gas is placed in the beaker in such a way that it just touches the water. This is the water and this funnel is just touches the water in such a way that taken in a trough, and it is taken in a trough and the funnel it just touches the water. Since the HCl gas is highly soluble, that we have already proved using fountain experiment, and highly soluble in water, and the water rises up in the funnel, back suction occurs. It is very important, the term back suction occurs, and in turn the level outside the funnel falls, creating an air gap is between the rim of the funnel and the surface of the water. So there is an air gap is taking place between the rim of the funnel and the surface of the water. That is, the pressure outside and inside then becomes equal, and the water which had risen in the funnel falls down again. So this process continues till the water in the trough is saturated with hydrogen chloride gas, resulting in the formation of hydrochloric acid. So this is the funnel arrangement setup in order to prepare hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is the aqueous solution of HCl gas is known as hydrochloric acid. An inverted funnel is taken and which is dipped in the trough, and the process repeats, the back suction process taking place, and we get hydrochloric acid. The mechanism by which back suction is avoided or minimized, it prevents or minimizes the back suction of water, or it provides a large surface area for absorption of hydrogen chloride gas. Let us summarize the topic. Hydrogen chloride gas can be prepared by reacting sodium chloride with concentrated sulfuric acid below temperature 200 degrees Celsius. I hope it is clear for you. Thank you.